So in this chapter we will create a smoke simulation in order to advect our particles and finally get that kind of result with slow motions and that kind of shapes as well. It is not the final particle motion, but the first step. So let's go! Okay, so now I would like to create a particle system over those points to get a better motion. So let's do it, pop net, and let's call it particle motion, no, particle simulation, sorry, sim. Let's have a token port as well, and copy paste this one. Good. I want the same green color, and to plug this one. So let's dive inside and check not the 150 frame, but the first one. Okay, so let's see how fast is it. It is not, and more than that, it's creating something at every frame. So I want to just $f equal 1 for the first frame and all points. It means I'm going to give to use just those points at the first frame. And let's make it a bit more procedural. So I will just copy this parameter, the start frame, and set it there. Past relative reference, and I want to get this one as well. Copy parameter and pass relative reference there. So it's a bit more procedural there. And let's check the speed. So I don't want the guide. It's a bit faster. And because I'm looking for all the attributes, this is not what I want yet. So let's delete the attribute that I don't want to use and that I will not use anymore. So attribute delete there. I want to keep the I cluster, the my prim, and cust age. I don't need the rest, and I don't need anything else. So good. Let's type star no. This one, and like this, and now star star star, and I should have just yes cust age, I cluster, my prim, and p. Good. Let's check inside directly. This is better, and for now we'll not use anything from this one. Okay, I would like to use a pop advection because I like all the result with these kind of things, but it means I need to set up a smoke simulation, to make a setup for a smoke simulation. So let's do it. Let's make a bit more room for it, and I will just use this one because it's lighter than the other one, not you. Okay. And another important thing to set right now is the scale, because for the smoke simulation and the RBD simulation with the bullet, everything is based on the meter. And here, because it's a real scale, it's less than the meter. I could use, I could do something with this scale, but I would have to change a lot of different parameters, and I don't want to waste time to doing it. So let's get it up. Okay, parameter. Let's say not this. 6. Okay, I think it's good. Scale up. Okay, now I would like to get just my points and delete everything else like this. Maybe set density attribute for the smoke. Let's say turbulence noise like this. Position. Let's see over the CD what is it doing, and get the simplex. I would like to promote actually those parameters. Up, copy, pass relative, and pass relative. So let's say 5. 5 should be good. And let's export this bind export density. Okay, Now I would like to use my pyro source. Not say, let's say add, yes, density, no you, attribute. Not this one, this one. The pyro source. Okay. Source smoke. That's good. I don't want the temperature, so I will just delete it. I want to keep the input, so that's nice. And let's get a volume rasterize attributes like this. Okay. Get my density. Good. And I would like to link this parameter, so the particle separation, to this one as well, the voxel size. Up, and make it not like this, and even less than that. Okay, this is good. I like it, and we are ready, I guess, to create the .NET. We'll just put it there and set smoke sim. Okay, let's create all those nodes that I need. I need a smoke object, I need a source volume, a volume source, a pyro solver, and a gas resize fluid dynamic. Okay, so let's get it there, like this, okay. Not you, you, and you. Up. So let's get something like this, and let's import our first context geometry, so this one, and I will use the preset source smoke without the temperature. Good, so let's check if it works. Okay, it is working. I just would like to reset this and take off the clamp, maybe as well resize it a bit less, like this. Okay, and track an object. So I will just use a null there to track, maybe not the volume rasterize, but let's say this add should be alright. Up to track like this, and let's say something to track. Up. Let's see if it works. It is. Everything seems to be good. I need to link this parameter as well, so the resolution to this one. So copy and pass relative reference. Okay, that's good. I just would like to first, for now, freeze this frame to get a better feedback in order to set all the parameters that I need, and after I will set back the animation. So let's do it like this, and it should be quicker right now. It is not really. Why it's not really? Oh, okay, I'm just going to increase a bit the resolution, let's say by 2 or 3. Yes, this is better. Okay, now I can work over this one. Maybe I should do something like this. Yes. I would like to add over the initial data there a wind directional direction, and something like -1 over the z direction, so like this. Okay, this is a bit too strong. Okay, this is good enough. I will just decrease the dissipation. Let's say 0.5 over the density, and I don't want the combustion, so let's take this off. Yes. Okay, this is better. I would like as well to decrease maybe the smoke density. This is better. And add a couple of turbulence there. It doesn't work because it's over the temperature there. So now it works, and I want something a bit smaller. Okay, smaller a bit, and with less amplitude or less amount of turbulence. Let's say 0.5. Okay, I think it's better. Could add a bit of turbulence, but actually I don't even think that's I need it, so yes, let's keep it like this. I'm kind of happy with what I have. Okay, let's check. Let's add the density there. And let's go with the top import field. Like this. Up. Okay, and a green color. I will use a preset smoke without the CD, the temperature, the rest. Because for this simulation, I'm just interested by the velocity field, not at all the density, but it's a good way to see what happens as well, so I will keep it. I will just make it a bit more detailed. Okay, seems to be good for me. I would like as well to get an offset over the time, because I don't want the first frame to get nothing. I want to have some, let's say, 50 frame already. So let's have a pre-roll, and in order to get that, I need to offset the animation. So right now it was frozen, sorry, and let's offset it. So let's go back with this one, and at the beginning I got $F like this, and I would like to offset it by 50. So it means it starts at the frame 50. Okay, here it's not cached, so it's still working there, but it shouldn't. For example, if at the frame 0, let's say, so let's say $F inferior than 1. Okay, so if I go to the frame 0, I don't have anything, and if I go there, I don't have anything as well. So I would like to clamp it. This is important. Clamp to first. And now, even if the frame there is minus 50, it's going to clamp it at the first frame. So this is what we need. And this is good to me. So when I will cache everything, so with a migrate cache, I will have to set plus 50 frame. So let's copy this parameter and paste relative reference here, only strict, plus here 50 frame. Okay. And I would have to make a time shift over there, okay, with plus 50, like this. So it will start at the frame 50 with my first animation there. So it will match. This is good, and let's set null as well. Okay, out smoke. Good. And I would like as well to add a collision. So let's do it. In order to add the collision, I need a VDB from polygon. This one. Okay. Still not working because of the holes, so I need a polyfill. Okay, and let's set it to triangles. But I don't want to iterate over each frame with the polyfill, because as you can see there, if I play, it's quite fast, and if I play with the polyfill, it's kind of heavy, this operation. So I want to freeze the first frame, let's say. Okay, so let's as well copy the parameter from the global control and paste it there. This is good, triangles, and I just have to copy the position right now, because here, if you can check, there is 74,425 points, and this is the same thing there. It doesn't create any points, so I can just copy the position from this to the second input position, and it should be quick as well. Yes, it is, and it should start at the frame 50, and it's working. Yes. So now I can set the collision. From, it was what? It was 0.03, I guess, something like this. No, a bit more. Let's say 15. Yes, let's say. And VDB reshape, just to go inside, you know, so with any rod, let's say 2. This is good enough for me. And I want an out, let's say out collision smoke. So let's dive inside my smoke and add a volume source to add my collision, like this, and set the preset as collision. I need to set the name of the primitive to collision, so let's get it there, collision. And I need to check if it works, so I go on the guides and take off the density and set the collision. So there is nothing. Why? Oh yes, I need to link it, otherwise it will never work. Good. Okay. And this is not what I want. Okay, so it was just the resolution. So if I go there, I just set back to 3, field interior, VDB reshape to 2, and I've just decreased this one. So as you can see there, it was 2, and here we do have those programs. And if I decrease it 1.5, now it's good. So this is what I want. Let's set back the density. Good. Let's do what? I think we are good almost. I would like to cache this, my grid market cache. Up. Good. I would like to only strict copy paste from this one. Copy. Past relative reference, and I would like to add as well there plus 50 to get 50 frame more, and I think this will be BGOSC. It should be good. Let's set this in blue, this one in blue as well, and let's render that. Good. Let's load this from the disk and check if it works. That's what I want. Perfect. Perfect. So right now let's check a bit over the frame. What is it doing? It should work. Yes, this is very basic, but this is what I want. Let's get it there. I need obviously to oh, I cannot drag and drop, right. Link this like this, copy this one and set a smoke object if I can get it. No. And this is good enough. Yes. I just would like to convert those as VDB. Yes, VDB convert like this. This is good. And now we can cache everything. So same thing, this is good, this is good. VGOSC and okay, let's cache it. So as you can see, it's very quick. It's about 2 minutes. So this is what I like. Sorry. So let's check it. I want at the first frame have, yes, this is what I wanted. And let's see. Okay, perfect. So now I would like to check that with and inside the particle motion. So let's go back to this one, to the first frame, and check. Oh, I need to scale it down, obviously. So let's create action, create reference copy, Control X, and put it there. Yes, good. And delete this one and activate it. So let's go back to this one and see what happened. So I want my smoke. Where is my smoke? Let's get it like this. Out smoke. Perfect. Update force. This is what I want because I don't want to at some point make the particle stop if it's not inside the velocity field. So perfect. And let's check with this one. Maybe directly there. I would like to use the pop colors as well to make the visualization a bit better with a ramp, and let's say there the length at velocity, and I would like a blue from nothing and white, and I think yes, something like this. Okay, so it's like big shape that I get from this. This is nice. I think it's too quick, so in my previous version I have done something like, I think it was 0.25. So yes, this is overall what I want, as you've seen. Cool. Perfect. So now I would love to do some operations as well on the particle, but let's do that on the second part.